Medieval Indian History MCQs. For upcoming exams. 1. At which among the following places, Gokul Jat revolted against Mughals in the 17th century? A. Hisar. B. Mathura. C. Ujjain. D. Bundelkhand. Correct answer, B. Mathura. 2. Jujhar Singh, who was a Bundela chief, had revolted against A. Jahangir. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Akbar. Correct answer, B. Shah Jahan. 3. Who translated Baburnama from Chagatai to Persian? A. Abdul Rahim Khan I Khana. B. Abul Fazl. C. Khwaja Riazuddin Atash. D. Humayun. Correct answer, A. Abdul Rahim Khan I Khana. 4. Which of the following achievements is not associated with Iltutmish? A. Initiation of the silver tanka and copper jaitil. B. Establishment of the Iqtidari system. C. Formation of the Chalisa. D. Advocacy of the divine right theory. Hide answer. Correct answer, D. Advocacy of the divine right theory. 5. Who invaded India in 1398 AD during the reign of Nasiruddin Mahmud of Tughlaq dynasty? A. Chengiz Khan. B. Khijr Khan. C. Timur. D. Babur. Correct answer, C. Timur. 6. Who among the following changed the name of Tanna Mishra to Tansen? A. Akbar. B. Raja Vikramjit of Gwalior. C. Raja Mansingh Tomar. D. Swami Haridas. Correct answer, B. Raja Vikramjit of Gwalior. 7. Which of the following Mughal emperors was famous as Shah-i Bekpur? A. Shah Alam. B. Jahangir. C. Shah Jahan. D. Bahadur Shah I. Correct answer, D. Bahadur Shah I. 8. Who among the following rulers of Bengal had issued a coin named Zurbe Murshidabad? A. Mir Zafar. B. Mir Qasim. C. Murshid Quli Khan. D. Shujauddin Muhammad Khan. Correct answer, C. Murshid Quli Khan. 9. Which among the following Mughal emperors prohibited the use of tobacco? A. Aurangzeb. B. Jahanagir. C. Akbar. D. Babur. Correct answer, B. Jahanagir. 10. Who among the following Vijayanagar rulers assumed titles Vedika Marga Parvatika and Veda Marga Pratisthapka? A. Harihar. B. Bukkai. C. Shri Krishna Dev Rai. D. Harihatu. Correct answer, D. Harihatu. 11. Which of the following rulers introduced rupee in India? A. Akbar. B. Alauddin Khilji. C. Sher Shah Suri. D. Shah Jahan. Correct answer, C. Sher Shah Suri. 12. Which of the following Mughal rulers introduced the Mansabdari system in India? A. Akbar. B. Humayun. C. Shah Jahan. D. Babur. Correct answer, A. Akbar. 13. Consider the following rulers of the slave dynasty. 1. Nasiruddin Mahmud. 2. Ruknuddin Firuz. 3. Iltutmish. 4. Muizzuddin Kakabad. Which of the following is the correct chronological order of their reign? UPSC Prelims 1983. A. 1234. B. 2314. C. 3214. D. 3124. Correct answer, C. 3214. 14. Match the columns. A. Amir Khusro, 1. 16th century. B. Danai Lahi, 2. 12th century. C. Qutub Minar, 3. 14th century. D. Chand Bardai, 4. 13th century ABCD, UPSC Prelims 1985. A. 3124. B. 4123. C. 3241. D. 2341. Correct answer, A. 3124. 15. Which of the following books has been written as an account of India during Mahmud's destruction of Somnath temple? A. Rajatringini. B. Fatwa-i Jahandari. C. Tabt-i Nasiri. D. Tehqiq-i Hind. Correct answer, D. Tehqiq-i Hind. 16. Which of the following is not another name for Jahangir's autobiographical account Tujukai Jahangiri? A. Tarikh-i Salim Shahi. B. Matma-i Jahangiri. C. Vikyat-i Jahangiri. D. Ibadat-i Jahangiri. Correct answer, D. Ibadat-i Jahangiri. 17. Whose reign is described in the inscription of Qutub Minar? 1. Qutubuddin Aibak. 2. Iltutmish. 3. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Select the correct option from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Correct answer, C. 2 and 3 only. 18. What was function of Khwajas appointed by Balban? A. For religious matters. B. For estimation of income and expenditure. C. For regulation of army. D. For judicial purpose. Correct answer. B. For estimation of income and expenditure. 19. Consider the following. 1. The Iqta system was provided institutional status by Iltutmish. 2. Iqta system was based upon salary during the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 3. In the beginning, Iqta system was hereditary. 4. Ikta system became the mainstay of the Sultanate administration under the slave dynasty. Which of the above statements is correct? A. Only 1 and 4. B. 1, 3 and 4. C. 2 and 3. D. All are correct statements. Correct answer, A. Only 1 and 4. 20. Ravikirti, the Jain author of the Aihole inscription, claims to have received the highest favor from which of the following kings? A. Valajaditya. B. Vikramaditya. C. Pulkesin II. D. Pulkesin I. Correct answer, C. Pulkesin II. 21. Which of the following is the modern site of ancient Hindu kingdom of Kapisa? A. Peshawar. B. Multan. C. Kabul. D. Makran. Correct answer, C. Kabul. 22. In which of the following inscription Balban called himself a helper of a caliph? A. Quwwat al-Islam mosque inscription. B. Qutub Minar wall inscription. C. Mosque inscription of Gadmukteshwar. D. Adhai Din Ka Jhopda inscription. Correct answer, C. Mosque inscription of Gadmukteshwar. 23. Which one of the following is the first Indo-Islamic classic on the art of governance and warfare? A. Adab-ul-Muluk. B. Fatwa-i Jahandari. C. Taj-ul-Masir. D. Chak-Nam. Correct answer, A. Adab-ul-Muluk. 24. Which of the following authors wrote Baburnama? A. Amir Khusro. B. Al-Bairuni. C. Mirza Muhammad Haidar Dughalt. D. Babar. Correct answer, D. Babar. 25. Which of the following was the author of Tarikh-i-Akbar Shahi? A. Nizamuddin Ahmad. B. Muhammad Arif Kandahari. C. Mutmad Khan. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Muhammad Arif Kandahari. 26. Travels in India is the account of which of the following foreign travelers to India? A. Niccolò Manucci. B. Tavernier. C. Niccolò Conti. D. Domingo Pace. Correct answer, B. Tavernier. 27. Mahmud led an expedition to Thanissar in which of the following years? A. 1010 AD. B. 1014 AD. C. 1020 AD. D. 1025 AD. Correct answer, B. 1014 AD. 28. Which of the following department was called as Diwan-i-Anjarat during the reign of Balban? A. Finance Department. B. Military Department. C. Foreign Department. D. None of the above. Correct answer, A. Finance Department. 29. The famous temple of Tirupati was developed during the period of which of the following ruler of Vijayanagar? A. Deva Raya I. B. Deva Raya II. C. Krishna Deva Raya. D. Achyut Deva Raya. Correct answer, C. Krishna Deva Raya. 30. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Vijayanagar Empire? 1. Sati was honored in the Vijayanagar Empire. 2. Polygamy was prevalent among the royal families. 3. Devdasi system was prevalent. Select the correct option from the codes given below. A. Only 1 and 2. B. Only 2 and 3. C. Only 1 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer, D. 1, 2 and 3. 31. Which of the following rulers constructed the Jahaj Mahal? A. Alp Khan. B. Zafar Khan. C. Ghiyasuddin. D. Ahmad Shah. Correct answer, C. Ghiyasuddin. 32. Which of the following considered themselves as the custodians of the Hindu civilization? A. Rulers of Malwa. B. Rulers of Mewad. C. Rajput rulers. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Rulers of Mewad. 33. Mustafa Mamalik during the Sultanate period refers to __. A. Priest. B. Auditor General. C. Local officer. D. Tax officer. Correct answer, B. Auditor General. 34. Kambe in Gujarat was famous for which of the following during the Sultanate period? 1. Textiles. 2. Gold and silver work. 3. Muslin. Select the correct option from the codes given below. A. Only 1. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer, B. Only 1 and 2. 35. Which of the following added an entrance to the Qutub Minar called Alai Darwaza? A. Jalauddin Khilji. B. Alauddin Khalji. C. Mubak Shah. D. Khusro Shah. Correct answer, B. Alauddin Khalji. 36. Which of the following was the first Vijayanagar king to include Muslims in his army? A. Harihar II. B. Deva Raya I. C. Deva Raya II. D. Krishna Deva Raya. Correct answer, B. Deva Raya I. 37. Which of the following temple is also known as Pampapti? A. Vittalaswamy Temple. B. Virupaksh Temple. C. Hazara Ramaswamy Temple. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Virupaksh Temple. 38. Which of the following was not among the 4 provinces into which the Bahmani kingdom was divided? A. Daulatabad. B. Bidar. C. Barar. D. Mysore. Correct answer, D. Mysore. 39. Which of the following was the spiritual successor of Gesu Daraj? A. Sayyid Yadullah. B. Sheikh Pyara. C. Kamaluddin Biabani. D. Sulaiman Mandavi. Correct answer, A. Sayyid Yadullah. 40. The empire of Sher Shah Suri was divided into how many sarkars? A. 43. B. 45. C. 47. D. 51. Correct answer, C. 47. 41. During Mughal era, who had the duty of maintenance of etiquette at the court? A. Wazir. B. Mir Bakshi. C. Mir Saman. D. Vakil. Correct answer, C. Mir Saman. 42. Which of the following was the representative of the central Sadar at the provincial level? A. Sadar. B. Darogai Idak. C. Bakshi. D. Mir Bakshi. Correct answer, A. Sadar. 43. Which of the following was the finance minister during the reign of Akbar? A. Raja Birbal. B. Raja Todarmal. C. Raja Mansingh. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Raja Todarmal. 44. Aurangzeb sent which of the following to suppress Shivaji in 1663 CE? A. Mir Jumla. B. Shaista Khan. C. Dara Shikoh. D. Sharja Khan. Correct answer, B. Shaista Khan. 45. Consider the following dynasties and their corresponding capitals. 1. Chalukyas Dvatapi. 2. Hoysalas Dwarsamudra. 3. Rashtrakutas Malked. 4. Kaktiyas Varangal. Which of the above is our correct pairs? A. Only 1, 2 and 3. B. Only 2, 3 and 4. C. Only 1, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct answer, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 46. The commander of Alauddin Khilji's forces during his Deccan campaigns was __. A. Malik Kafur. B. Anul Mulk Multani. C. Nusrat Khan. D. Ulugh Khan. Correct answer, A. Malik Kafur. 47. Saint Ramananda associated with which of the following branches? A. Premashrayi. B. Karmashrayi. C. Gyanashrayi. D. Ram Margi. Correct answer, D. Ram Margi. 48. Which of the following Indian rulers was defeated by Mahmud Ghazni in his first attack in the year 1001 AD? A. Anand Pal. B. Jaipal. C. Chandrapal. D. Sukhpal. Correct answer, B. Jaipal. 49. In the 17th century, Masulipatam was a center of intense activity. The annexation of which cities by Mughals ultimately resulted Masulipatam losing its importance? A. Bijapur. B. Cochin. C. Golconda. D. Kanchipuram. Correct answer, C. Golconda. 50. Which of the following statements is our correct regarding King Mihir Bhoja? 1. Mihir Bhoja was a devotee of Vishnu and adopted the title of Adivarha. 2. Mihir Bhoja was succeeded by his son Mahendrapala I. Select the correct option from the codes given below. A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer, C. Both 1 and 2.